Right there, the guy with the goatee. I see him, Jack. Put your fucking...
Check the cats at the door.
I see him. Come on, let's get him.
Come on! Go ahead, you fucking punks! Get it, Jackie, yo! You go, girl! Let's get these motherfuckers. Look at that! Can't see shit! Punch it, Bobby, punch it! I got no traction. I'm sliding all over the fucking street. You're gonna get these guys before you kill us? Sit back and put your seatbelt on, Jack. Fuck the snow, man! I don't give a fuck about the snow. Shit! Where the hell's that shotgun, Jack? There's no shell. Stop arguing and drive. The trunk. Well, what the hell am I... Shit on it! Shut up! Angel, stick that cannon out the window and bust some shots. I'm gonna put one in the back of their head. Shoot those sons of bitches, Angel. Get him! Shoot that motherfucker! You got him? Look up and stupid! Look out! Jack, you got your seatbelt on? Watch this, hold on! Shit! Fuck that nigga's side, man! Drop! Don't let him get away! Don't let him get away! Get your ass in here! Shit! It's got a fucking blowout! Stop the car, okay, boss? Stop! Shut up, Jack! For the ragged kids out in the roof, we got him! Jackie, wait here. Fuck you! Who's it? I ain't telling you shit. Get his wallet.
Fuck with the wrong lady. Let's get the fuck out of here, man.
Let's go, Jack.
They gone? Yeah, they gone.
Kill Ma, we got him.
What's happening?
Lieutenant, it's Maximum Ugly. We got 2 obvious executions.
Any IDs on them?
Nah, I get the prints before we put them on ice.
What do you say, Green? Any ideas?
That's what we pay you for.